What's up, y'all? I'm back again for another video. I ain't been outside since Friday, so just stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Yeah, because my juice was in my car.
At the standing line, just getting the start. I'm out of breath. So there's a lot of people in here. Damn. Oh, shoot. Close. I ain't seen this in a while. Not in here, though. It's $6 right here. There we go, right there. Oh, this is bathroom tissue, though. Oh, man, this is a good kind. $5.28. Oh, man. Yes, sir. Okay. Got something. So I got this. This is what I got so far. We got a lot more stuff this time. Because last time we ain't had that much stuff. When I came in here. Got a lot more stuff this time. This ain't too bad. Ain't too bad at all. What is this? This must not be that good. At 50 cents. Into these. Oh, these 50 cents too. I'm gonna get some of these. They got some of this. I ain't never seen this kind before. You know, it's the regular stuff. What else they got in here that's for this? That right there. And they got this. I don't know what that is. There's some more stuff at the bottom. Walmart, y'all coming up clutch today. Clutch today. They got a whole line right here. It's not that long, but they got a line all the way down here. That line, stupid. This one ain't this bad.